Welcome. This is the IM2 homework solution. This is for week 31. Here I have Wednesday, March the 4th. We have two graphs here. We're going to do the first one. Domain, range, x-intercepts, y-intercepts, line of symmetry, and vertex. Okay, this is a little review looking at this. All right, so let's take a look. So what is the domain here? I could write it many ways, but it looks like from you see the arrows, it goes on forever. So we would say it goes from negative infinity for the x all the way to positive infinity, okay? Because you see the arrows, it says go on forever. All right, what is the range? So here it starts from what? Positive infinity all the way down here to what number is this? -1, -2, -3, -4. It goes all the way to -4. So we have -4. We have also infinity, and this is for the range, so we put y. So y is less than or equal to, because it does touch the -4, all the way to positive infinity. Okay. What are our intercepts? Our first intercept is right here. What point is that? That is when x is equal to -3. Also right here, that's where it also touches. That is when this is 0, so this is when x is equal to 1. So you would say the x-intercept is at well, you could write the points here if you want. -3, 0, and here it's 1, 0. So we can just write the points -3, 0, and 1, 0. The y-intercept, it's right here. This is where the line crosses the y axis. So this -1, -2, -3. So it's 0, -3 for the intercept. Oh, the line of symmetry looks like it goes down right here at -1. So the line of symmetry is when x is equal to -1. And the vertex, it's looking for this point in exactly. That is when it is -1 for the x and -3 for the y. So -1 and -3 for the vertex. Okay, this might have been going a little bit faster, but I'm trying to show you how I got it. If you want to see how I did it mathematically, if you take a look here, right? This x equals to 1 becomes 0 by adding 1 to both sides, so x equals to 1. So the point here is 0, 1. Then you could also do it down here for x plus 3. X plus 3 is equal to 0, -3, -3, x is equal to -3. So the point here, oops, sorry, I wrote the points wrong. -3 is 0. This is wrong. This should be 1, 0. Yep. So this is just me showing the algebra on how I got the x-intercept if you can't graph it and tell. Okay. Let's go do this one. What is the domain? So I see the arrows. So I know it goes from -infinity all the way to positive infinity for the x. What is the range? Starts here from -infinity, goes all the way up to what number? I think this is going to be 5. So the range goes from -infinity all the way to 5. Okay. And this is for y. We have to include it as well. Next, the x-intercept, or the points. So this would be one of them. This is this is 2, 0. And this is what? 5, 0. So the x-intercept are 2, 0 and 5, 0. I'm going to show how to get it up here as well. Okay, what is the y-intercept? The y-intercept, doesn't show, so we write none. The line right here is where it cuts it in half. So roughly around x is equal to 3.5-ish, right? And the vertex is right here. So this is like around 3.5 and 4.5. So here I could write it as 3.5 and 4.5. Okay. Now some of you are like, can you give me a better answer? Okay, so all you have to do is go to decimals, type in that. So y is equal to -2, x minus 2, x minus 5. Look right there. You see how I could get it on decimals? So my estimation here was correct, right? And here I even have the lines of symmetry for you to see. Okay, let me just zoom in a little bit more, right, and give you the values. So here's one, here's the second one, and here's the third one. Your two intercepts were correct, and our vertex is also correct. Okay, let me show you how to do it mathematically now. Right, so go up here. So let's do the first one. So this has to be equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. So this whole expression is equal to 0. I mean, add 2 to both sides to get x alone. So that point would be 2 comma 0. I'm going to make this in, let's make this in green. The second one is this expression has to be equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0. Plus 5 plus 5, x is equal to 5. So the point here is 5 comma 0. See, same answer is there. All right, so there you go. Those are your solutions for Wednesday.